This comment reply is for Tracy. Tracy says, mine was never relined. They just adjusted the sore spots as needed. They fit perfect after 20 years. It's the bottom that I lost all the bone. Now I need cadaver bone put in. I think that this is really important to talk about. So upper dentures are very forgiving, even when they're too big. They often get suction. And as I've preached and preached and preached on my platform, what this does is it allows the denture to move around on that bone and wear the bone down. And Tracy, you may not even realize that your bone is worn down. And I don't want to argue about it with you. I mean, I can't see your mouth. But you did mention that your lower has been ground down so badly that you lost all the bone and you need cadaver bone put in. So let me tell you why. So when your teeth wear down, the surfaces of those teeth, and they wear down, especially after 20 years of chewing with them, they're artificial, man-made material, and they're going to wear down after 20 years of chewing on them. So as they do that, this vertical dimension closes and that bone starts to wear away from those loose-fitting dentures, and that vertical dimension closes even more. So you've lost millimeters of the surfaces of your teeth, and now you've lost millimeters of the surfaces of your bones, and now this temporomandibular joint, which is like a hinge, right here, now that is closing in closing too far, in a too closed position. What this results in is this jaw really having to work and work and work and work around to chew against this upper denture. In turn, as a result, this lower denture, which is loose because that bone is wearing away and you haven't been getting relines or replacement dentures, now this one is rubbing and rubbing and rubbing on that bone, wearing all that bone down, the temporomandibular joint closing further, and now your muscles are getting stretched out from working that jaw way too hard because it's over closing and your teeth are worn down and your bone is gone. So the result of that is an acquired protrusive movement, which you described in a comment prior to. You said, not everybody has an underbite, not everybody has an overbite. My teeth are end to end because your jaw has moved into the acquired protrusive movement, which kind of gives you that underbite where your teeth are end to end instead of back there where it's supposed to be. I've been doing this for a long time, Tracy, wearing dentures for 20 years and never getting a reline, never getting replacement dentures. That's just not advisable. I talked about a 94-year-old patient several videos back, came in probably about a month ago. Her daughter brought her in, and it was really sad for me to hear, she was very with it, very healthy 94-year-old. She told me that nobody had ever told her that she needed relines. Nobody ever told her that she needed new dentures, She's 94 years old, and she had been wearing those same dentures for like 30, 40 years, and her lower bone was like a skating rink. It was so far gone. I mean, at 94, she was otherwise healthy, but she couldn't enjoy food like she wanted to anymore. She was on a completely soft diet because her dentures had nothing to hold on to. I tried to put a reline in there to help her out, but it was really a hopeless case. So you can take my advice or don't, but I've been doing this for decades. I've seen tens of thousands of patients, and trust me, I'm giving you good advice. Have a great night, Tracy, and hope this helps everybody else so that they don't need cadaver bone. Have a great night. Bye-bye.